Good afternoon students and welcome to our today's virtual class. Today we are having the topic with the same chapter, that is test and measurement in sports, and today we are having the second test of this particular chapter, and the name of this particular second test is general motor fitness, or we can say the Barrow 3 item general motor ability. In this particular test we are only 3 test items. I will explain in the next video. Only 3 test items. On those particular 3 test items we are able to check the general motor fitness of a child or a sample. Clear? Before starting this particular test, or before go through from the different kind of 3 test items of this general motor fitness or the Barrow 3 item test general motor ability, first of all clearing the meaning of general motor fitness. So come to the board. Motor fitness refers to the fitness of a child's bone, muscles ability to move around. General motor fitness means a fitness of a bones as well as the muscles to having a proper movement in the different joints, because everyone knows this thing. Basically, being a student of physical education, all of you are knowing this particular thing, that through the musculoskeletal system, musculoskeletal structure, the body is able to produce a movement, and with this particular movements body is sufficient to perform any kind of work. So this is the basic meaning of general motor fitness. In other words, motor fitness means the fitness of the movement and the various motor abilities. Fitness of the movement that only depends upon the strong bones as well as the good quality muscles. If there is a problem in bones or in the joints or in the musculoskeletal, means the muscles and the skeletal system, so there is a kind of restrictions in the movement of the body, and that directly affects the motor ability of the individuals. And various motor abilities means running, throwing, jumping, skipping, walking, every movement which is produced by a body, that is known as the motor abilities. From birth till death, पैदा होने से लेकर मरने तक जो भी बॉडी मूवमेंट कर रही है, दैट इज ऑल मूवमेंट्स आर नोन एज द मोटर एबिलिटीज. क्लियर? Various motor movements or motor skills are required for daily life activities. Everyone knows this thing, that various motor movements or motor skills or motor movements, running, throwing, jumping, each and every movement produced by the body is very much required by a body to perform the daily life activities, clear? Such as sitting, walking, running, climbing, jumping and throwing, etc. So this is the basic meaning of general motor fitness. Clear? Now there is another thing which is included in this particular general motor fitness, that there are two types of general motor fitness. Number one is fine muscle fitness, and the second one is big muscles fitness. Because fine muscles helping the human body to perform minor skills or minor movements, and the big muscles help the human body to perform the big or the major movements in the body. So the general motor fitness is basically divided into 2 parts: fine muscle fitness and the big muscles fitness. So students, this is our test and this is the meaning of general motor fitness. Now there is another topic related with this particular test, that is how to develop fine motor fitness. Fine motor fitness is basically go through in the life age, in the age of 0 to 16 years in childhood. That is fine motor. Fine motor जो development है, that is only go through in the age of 0 to 12 years of human body, or we can say the child body. Clear? इसका simple example ये है, if you place a football or a cricket ball in front of a child, he is not able to hold the football because of the size of the ball, ratio of the air in the ball, as well as that particular child is not able to pick that cricket ball because the weight of the ball. That shows that the fine muscles is underdeveloping. The fine muscles are under developing. But this is a case of 1 to 2 years of child. And in this particular age, 12 years, the child is easily recognize the difference of football as well as the cricket ball, and he is able to pick, kick, throw the cricket ball as well as the football. This is the meaning of fine motor fitness. This is only happens in the childhood situation, childhood stage of a human body. There are so many exercises, or we can say that there are so many physical exercises, those who are going to help to develop the fine motor fitness. Okay students, so this is your second test. This is the meaning of general motor fitness. There are two types of general motor fitness, and this is an example of development of fine motor fitness in childhood stage. Clear?